BULL stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video. I've done well over tens of thousands of dollars invested in courses, mentors over the last 5 years. When I'm telling you this, bro, like I've literally been putting in the numbers, like 40,000 videos have been made on this YouTube channel, like really been in the trenches for the last 5 years. And still looking at Bull or Webull Corporation, even with my next bias and idea, it was a sell side, and honestly, it still is. Let me show you the before video. Oh, well, I guess it was 4th of May. This is like a day ago, which only got 33 views. Kind of sad, but here's my idea. Like from there on, it's going to be the same. Like I'm looking for the same exact thing. Not willing to sell without any confirmations though, but it's just my bearish bias at this point. So if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without trading, without indicators, I'm trading, but without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.